Hey guys, this is the PB effects made by Parvin me. Today we're going to be making a multicolored Big Ben out of Lego with a light show at the end, so stick around. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below challenges. Let's get started. So basically, I'm going to divide Big Ben into two segments, which I know is really weird, but why not? So the roof will be made of diagonal blocks which will intersect into each other on one stud, and segment one will actually be overlapping. So the clock, I'm not that happy to make because that is just going to be a pain in the back. But yeah, this is going to be fun, probably. And yeah, let's get started. So basically what I've done is, if you can see, there's a small green square inside the middle with the 2x2 studs, and so they're going to hold the four base plates together, otherwise they'll just fall apart. And I've used the overlapping method for all the bricks, as I showed you on the whiteboard. It's the most efficient method, and so I'm just going to carry on with that. I'm just going to overlap everything and make it taller because otherwise we're not going to reach the ending point sooner. So yeah, I'll carry on. Basically, also what I discovered was Big Ben is actually a square. So I used a square formation of base plates. So it would look more like Big Ben. I'm not going to pick that up. I've also got these really nice brick textured blocks which I got from the Lego store. They're really good to use. If you're making a big sculpture, these 2x4s are really good because they lock everything together really well, so I would recommend using these. Sometimes in the middle I use these 1x4 bricks because two of them make up for a 2x4 brick. I've got these small cone pieces, but if I had two together, then I could make up for a 1x2 piece, so I'm just going to do that. It's pretty sturdy. At the end I'm planning to, maybe I might just take off the base, hopefully. Hopefully if I do, then I could take the base off and just put it on top on the segment when I finish segment one. After that I'm just going to go maybe one block first and then another block inwards, and so that's going to help, and I'll keep on repeating that so I'll get that nice bend for the roof. I'm not really excited about adding the clock because that is super hard. But well, I guess you have to overcome some problems, so. So I think I'm just going to go maybe two or three more layers till I stop and just build the clock. Last layer. Two of these and two of these, so yeah, let's just put them together and
few moments later.
Oh, hi guys, I finished the top part, and so now I'm just making the clock faces. So as you can see, I did one clock face and two clock face. Yeah, I'm just adding on the finishing touches, and I should be finished shortly. The method I used for building the clock faces was just to put maybe a few of these tiny beads, so I used them to make the clock face. Surely I'm going to do the light show after sorting out all the electronics and stuff, so should be nice. And so I'm just going to fill it on here. And yeah, I think it's done. How I built the top part was that these kind of slope pieces, I used some of them, I made the same configuration on each side, and then I put one by two on top and filled in the middle, and then I increased its height, so, and then I managed to make this shape with the top. So this is the Big Ben sculpture, and then maybe later, in a few minutes, I'll get the electronics sorted, and then we can. Here's a quick view of everything. Here's a clock and everything. It's pretty tall. I had all of these, and the spire was pretty good as well. So the clock would be like this. And so yeah, hope you enjoyed the light show after this.